Far below the rim of the Grand Canyon lies an adventure few men have experienced. Shooting the rapids of the Colorado River. Here, over rocks that can slice a boat in two, the surging onrush of water forms the most treacherous and most powerful rapids of all. The man who has the courage, the stamina, and the skill to conquer this deadly stretch of water stands tall and above the crowd, a breed apart. His adventure will never be forgotten. An adventure that started when he climbed into the vehicle that brought him down to the canyon floor. A vehicle that, in its own way, is also a breed apart. The Bronco, a totally new concept in transportation. And versatility is its middle name. The Bronco is a roadster, wide open, all fun and adventure. The Bronco's a sports utility, ready for any kind of action, with a roof that is removable. With a full roof, the Bronco's a snappy wagon, well-suited for work or play. Excellent as a family car, and the wagon roof is also removable. The Bronco is more than just another new vehicle. It's an all-purpose utility car with four-wheel drive power and traction. Built to go wherever there's a foothold. Tough, strong, and dependable. Yet it has a style as modern as tomorrow. Plus all the comforts and conveniences of more conventional cars. It's right at home in the bustle of the city. Or out in the open where there are no roads. Bronco's broad stance gives good stability off the road, a smooth and even ride on the road. With a short turning diameter of less than 34 feet, Bronco can outmaneuver anything in the utility car field. And with its exceptional underbody clearance, Bronco will go up and over where others will hang up. The Bronco is also the champion weightlifter in its class. An optional heavy-duty package, rear axle, springs, and tires add even more brawn. The Bronco's standard engine is the 170 cubic inch 6 with a horsepower rating of 105. This performance-proved engine, matched with a fully synchronized 3-speed transmission, powers a drivetrain that includes a 2-speed transfer case of advanced through-drive design. Unlike the offset design of other makes, when operating the Bronco in conventional 2-wheel drive, power flows from the engine into the transmission and straight through the 2-speed transfer case directly to the rear axle. When 4-wheel drive is selected, the transfer case directs power to the front axle as well. Straight-through design increases gear life, reduces gear whine, and delivers efficient, selected power. Power for climbing. Power for towing. Power for passing. With optional free-running front hubs, gear drag and wear are practically eliminated. And it has the cruising speed for highway driving. Yet Bronco's standard 6-cylinder engine gives 11% better fuel economy than 4-cylinder engines of other 4x4s. Here's something else Bronco has more of. Usable space. Its body is wider and deeper than other utility cars. Bronco's tailgate opening is up to 20 inches wider than others in its class. It can be opened or closed with one hand. With its many refinements and features, the Bronco will carry you in style no matter where you're going. The standard full-width seat will take 3 people with room to spare. There's comfort in the extra room the Bronco's flat floor provides. There's convenience and safety in the location of Bronco's suspended pedals and in the location of the single power transfer lever. There's convenience in the passenger car location of the gear shift and in the effortless shifting of gears, even when downshifting into low, because all gears are fully synchronized. The instrument panel beneath the standard padded dash is attractive as well as functional, with needle gauges for ammeter, oil pressure, temperature, and fuel readings. Riding comfort is another important Bronco feature. Matchless riding comfort provided by monobeam front suspension, an innovation in design, with coil springs to cushion the ride, and Ford steel radius rods, insulated at each end to sponge up shock, vibration, and road noise. Unique monobeam suspension gives an exclusive car-like ride to the Bronco. The new Bronco, sporty, crisp, sharp, outside and in. For those who want extra luxury, optional front bucket seats, contoured and deeply padded, and a 2-passenger rear seat are available. Other options include a radio, padded sun visors, armrests, and many more. By simply adding a vinyl top, the Bronco becomes a convertible. For special jobs, the Bronco can be equipped with such items as snowplow blades. When equipped with power takeoff, the Bronco can be used to operate winches as well as other auxiliary equipment. And like other Ford passenger cars, the Bronco is sold with a 2-year or 24,000-mile warranty. The Bronco is suited for many uses: fun, work, or transportation. It also opens up a new world of pleasure and activities. Activities such as 4x4 rallies, where excitement and competition are keen, will see a new kind of action and performance as more and more Bronco owners join Bronco Buster clubs. The new world of Bronco covers 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. During hunting season, the Bronco will take you where the game is and pack it back to camp. In the fishing season, the Bronco will go beyond the end of the road to remote spots where the fish are game and plentiful. When the camping season is on, the Bronco will really take you off the beaten path, away from the crowd. And it's always open season on weekend fun with the Bronco. A motorized hike, an exploring trip, or a picnic. Yes, Bronco is suited for many purposes. For ranchers to roam the range. For dependable, good-looking family transportation. For rough work in rugged terrain. An errand to run. Or for recreation of all kinds. The Bronco is a vehicle of 1,001 uses. Whatever your need may be, whatever pleasures you seek, you'll find the Bronco is the most durable, most dependable, most comfortable, and the most versatile vehicle of its kind. A breed apart from anything you have ever known before.